Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing good. Now starting this vlog by sharing some beautiful moments of monsoon here. It was really a bliss to watch this as last year we didn't see any rain over here. Few days ago I received a message in one of the WhatsApp group that there's an offer going on in Noon with 70% discount, and this 4-piece set was coming just for 15 Saudi Riyal. I wanted to buy stainless steel vessels since long back, and why not when there's a good offer going on. So sharing my experience of cooking in it, and then watch till the end to see my experience after washing it. So keep watching. It was a 4-piece set, 2 vessels, 1 glass lid and 1 big spatula. This vessel had a long handle and a flat back which can be used on induction cooking. The spatula was long enough, but comparing to the weight of the vessel, this was little bit weightless. It was not as thick as the vessels are. Next vessel came with a glass lid. It has got 2 side handles and a flat bottom. Again, it can also be used for induction cooking. Amazed looking at the thickness of both the vessels. To be frank, I didn't expect them to be this much thick for the price I paid. Overall satisfied with the external look, the thickness and the price I paid for this one. So sharing my experience of cooking in that new vessel too. For that I soaked the green gram dal for around 3 hours. Now I am boiling it in a pressure cooker by adding 2 cups of water, 1 spoon of turmeric and some salt. Cover it with a lid. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. So washed it initially with soap and water, now wiping out the wet part. So to the heated oil added cumin seeds and a 1 cup of onions. After they become little translucent, added salt, then ginger garlic paste. You can see the green gram is well boiled with right amount of water in it. So I'm really sorry here, when I changed the shot I forgot to on the camera. So to this mixture I added curry leaves and all the spices like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. I like to add this curry powder to my dishes as it enhances the flavor. After mixing the spices well, added 1 big size blended tomato paste and roasted it until the oil gets separated. added garam masala. Now added the boiled green gram to it. Mix it well and cover it with a lid. Cook for around 10 minutes on a low flame, but keep stirring in between as this is a steel vessel and it may get burnt at the bottom. At last, tempered it with onions and red chili roasted in ghee. So you can have this curry with rice or roti. We had it with rice. Both the combinations are good. Next day when I came back from work, I was surprised to see these marks on the bottom as well as inside. I guess these are watermarks as I did not dry them up after cleaning and just put them upside down and went away. Tried washing them again with soap and water and cleaning them up with tissue paper, but still the marks were visible. So later on tried this trick of using oil on a tissue paper and rubbing it over the surface. It really brought back the shine of the vessel and I was really satisfied with the trick. It worked well. Two things are important I came to know here, like after every wash we need to dry them up, and to keep the vessels shiny, sprinkle some oil over the tissue and wipe them off. This ends our vlog here. Hope it was useful for you all. If there are any suggestions from your side, please let me know in the comment section and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you do like my videos. Thanks for watching.